Fix Instagram could not refresh the feed problem. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. As you do that, launch the Play Store application on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. Then tap on the search bar and then search for Instagram. Here you'll be able to see the option of open or update. Now since we do not have the option of update, which means we have the latest version of the application, so we're going to go back and then make a long press on the Instagram application. Now tap on app info, and as you tap on app info, it will lead us to a new page where you can see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner. So tap on clear data and then clear the cache, then tap on OK. Next, tap on app permissions and make sure you have toggled on all the required ones over here. As you do that, go back and relaunch the Instagram application, and this might help you fix the problem. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.